Yo, what's good, everybody? So we're gonna react to 5050. This is a special edition, and this song is called Gravity. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So one question: do anyone who is watching this video knows the legend from Jamaica, Bob Marley? So guys, without further ado, let's see what is so special, about this clip by 5050, and the title is called Gravity. So without further ado, let's dive in. Peace. Why is she so lonely? Why is she in a singular motion? Is everything going on great of this female? Is everything going according to her plans? Trust me, I do not like to see these females going through so much, right? And to see her in a singular motion, something is definitely, I gotta say, about beautiful song. Even though I've heard this song before, but every time you sit and you listen to this song, it never gets old. It sounds brand new, right? And I'm happy to see all these females here dancing, having a good time, sharing a wonderful bond with friends, right? Because, friends these days are like enemies, bro. With friends like these, who need enemies? And to see all these female having such relative friendship, I gotta give them a thumbs up, bro. Trust me. I hope they keep this bond forever, because sometime in life there's always something that comes across where it's not everyone is gonna have an agreement with, and it's gonna cause problem, and you know what, right? So to see a friendship like this so strong, it's a plus for me. Where are they in the clouds sitting on a bed? Is this video heavenly? Or she's trying to find love pure and white as that cloud? Because that love do exist. And to have that kind of love nowadays, especially in this dark world, bro, love is rare. Like real love is rare. And to find love where this dark world existed, it's gonna be tough, bro, because a lot of people will not open up, right? Because they are scared of earth and what they have been through before. They never want to go through that again. So a lot of people keep their feelings private and will never open up to a person. And to see this video, bro, it's touching. It's really touching. I'm feeling so emotional at this point. Watching this video, I've noticed that, something is going to happen in this video. And to show certain emotions displaying in this video, it's something that we should take a deep look into, especially for these females, bro. So let's pray. I gotta say, every time I've sat and I've watched 5050 songs, performance, snippet, dance practices, all those, it's always entertaining. It's always something that catches your attention. It gives you a longer attention span, bro. It's like these women have the charm in their music and also personally over the media, right? Because they are like some beautiful charm, very charming. A female is asking a man just to not let her go, to hold her tight, because guess what? Love is rare, bro. Love is really rare, right? And once you have someone who you can call your partner, or you can call them your spouse, your husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, it doesn't matter who. But once you can have that person, right, as someone who you love, trust, be respectful to, keep that person. And this is the reason why she's saying that not to let her go. Hold her close, bro. Hold her close. Having a song that is so pure, right? She fell for him. right? And it's like gravity. Everything around it seems to be floating because the way how she fell for him, her love is now being floated, right? Her love is now being, you know, free, feeling light because she fell for that guy. And you know, when someone um fell for someone, right? The love is gonna be and feeling unconditional. Believe me, bro. I've been there. I've been there and still is. Because the love comes like gravity. It's insane. But you know, we are all humans, bro, and we do have feelings and we have emotions, right? And you know, having certain things in life, man, when it comes on to love, bro, and we have that person who, you know, have us there with us by their side, with both of us on each other's side, it's a great, great feeling, bro. She keep on falling deeper and deeper in love. So she's asking, it's a simple task, man. It's a simple task. The task is so simple. Just do not let her go because she loves you so much. She loves you dearly. Now I see why this song has a lot of emotions in it. Trust me. And when someone do have that person who they love so much, it's gonna be unconditional. You females did a great job again at this special. The special is amazing. And I do love the message. I do love the choreography of this video. It's fantastic. And if you guys enjoyed this reaction, don't forget to leave a like, smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next suggested video.